Guys, this video is a collaboration with Sade Flawless. Yes guys, you should check her out, and we did a back to school video together. So I hope you guys love both of our looks, and I'm so feeling this look. No sir, you know it's a goodie come right out. This look is just perfect, simple, elegant, all the good stuff. Yes, Sade, big up yourself, girl, nice and clean. Make sure you guys check her out. The link to this video will definitely be in the description bar below. Big up yourself, goodie. Hey guys, so today's makeup is back to school, and we are going to do a simple makeup, like real simple for back to school. I got my hair in this cute curly wig with some highlights, so we're gonna do a back to school makeup video, and it's that time where we still want to look cute but simple for school, so we are going to get into it. So I already moisturized and primed my face. I'm going to add a little bit of magnesia because you know we're going to school, we don't want no sweat or none of that. So as long as you use a moisturizer and a primer before, you can go ahead with the milk of magnesia. I promise it won't clog the pores. It will clog the pores, but the primer you use before is going to ensure that the magnesia doesn't get into your pores, which cause pimples. Okay, so we are going to add a little bit of this on the face, just around the T-zone area. I don't need a lot, so I'm basically just doing it on my forehead, on my nose, under my chin area, and a little bit under the eyes. And that's it for the magnesia. Alright guys, we are then going to start with our anchor pencil, the best pencil on the market right now, because guess what, it can use for eyebrows, it can use for lip liner, so it's the best two-in-one pencil. This is the anchor pencil, and we are going to start our eyebrows with the anchor pencil. I have these on my website, so make sure you follow my website. It will be in the description bar below, which is watchcrissywork.com. okay, so now you guys see the magnesia is getting dried and it's gonna have this whitish look. Don't worry, the foundation is gonna cover all of that. We are going to use a spoolie first. We are not blessed with a lot of hair, but we can work it out. So guys, I'm now going to take my anchor pencil and we are going to stencil those brows. Try to make your brows perfect with the pencil, and then just use the concealer to clean up. Don't try to use the concealer to make them brows perfect, okay? We are doing the same thing for the other eyebrows. So just draw them brows and do the filling like I'm doing right now. I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and this is the closest to my skin color, and we're going to use that to clean up. And guys, this brush, we are coming with this brush. It's the brush, it's a concealer brush, and we call it Slice because it's precise. But I'm just using that to clean up with the concealer, both top and bottom parts of my eyebrow. Yes, you gotta get them brows right. We are doing the same thing for the other eyebrow. Just clean up, clean up, clean up. And I do recommend, if you're just starting to do your eyebrows, you use your foundation or a concealer that is your skin tone, so it looks more natural. If you want that highlighted look, then you go for a concealer that's a little bit lighter than your skin tone, so underneath can pop. I'm now taking this small round buffer brush, and this is perfect. This brush goes um like it just goes where the large brush can't go. I do have these brushes. I'm gonna make sure the link to these brushes are in the description bar below. And it's perfect to blend that concealer from the eyes. It's also perfect to go under the eyes, like for instance you using the concealer to blend under your eyes. This brush and that brush can't do it. This brush will do the job. I'm now taking the anchor pencil again, and we are going to fill in whatever needs to fill in. See those brows? We are going to take this Juvia's Place foundation, and I think my shade is Rio, which is 430. If not, it will be in the description bar below. And guess what, guys? When I bought this foundation, it was perfect. And now using it, I realized that it's a little like one shade darker than me. So it can work because I know how to make it work, in which I'm gonna use the lighter shade concealer to highlight and everything will pop. But as you guys seen, I'm using my flat kabuki foundation brush. We also have these, so the link will be in the description bar below for these brushes. As you guys can see, the foundation is a little bit one shade darker than me, but that's fine. I'm now taking my Shape Tape concealer, and we are going to highlight. So yes, I realized that when recording. I'm now taking the small powder brush, also on my website, and we are going to blend that concealer. Perfect. You see that? This is what I'm telling you. If you guys blend out, the small round buffer brush will work in areas that the large brush can't go. And now everything is blended. I'm now going to take my foundation brush again, and we are going to go over everything. Now the Derma Blend setting powder, and we are going to set. You guys see me brushing away all that powder. Now I'm taking this Ruby Kiss powder with my large angled contour brush, also on my website, and we are gonna contour with this. I love this powder, like I really do love this powder. It works. I don't know, it's affordable and it works. I just love it because I have used so many different powders to contour, and this one works perfect for me. And then we're gonna use the small angled brush to contour the nose. Trust me, this brush works for the nose. As you guys can see, also on my website, so make sure you guys check it out. And I'm now taking this Ulta Beauty. It's a blush and a bronzer in one, so it's pretty cool. And we are going to use our blush brush to apply that. So you guys see it have this bronzy look, but also the blush look. I'm now taking this peachy orangish type of shadow from a Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use a large blending brush to just put it directly into the crease. We're not doing no eyeshadow, but we are just defining those creases. So I don't know why. Honestly, I don't even know why I did this, but it worked. It's cute to me. It worked. Still natural, nothing over the top, and it was pretty. And I just think it matches my ear color, so that's the reason why I did it. We are just lining our waterline with a black pencil. guys know which song I'm singing? Hey. Now we are going to glow that face with our highlighter in the shade After Dark. And we are using that large highlighter brush. Works perfect also. You can use a smaller brush, but I like this one. We are highlighting the nose. Under the eyebrows. So we are just highlighting our brows, because I like to do this when I don't wear no eyeshadow. It lets the eyebrows pop a little bit more. And now I'm taking this shader brush and we are just gonna add that same color under our eyes. I'm now gonna take this luxury mink lashes, and this is in the style Rebel C. Perfect, simple, goes well with this look. I also have these on my website, so you can check it out. They're the simplest lash we have. And you see guys, I tell you about this anchor pencil. I'm just lining my lips right now with it. And we are going to use these new and improved glosses. They are perfect. You guys will definitely love them. And this is in the shade First Choice. You know you can't go wrong with glossy lips, right? It's just perfect. You just cannot go wrong. Look, I'm telling you. So guys, this is the final look. Soft, classy, simple, back to school. Okay, so I really do love simple looks. You guys know that already because I want to wear eyeshadow when I'm doing a video. But this is the look. I'm really feeling this look, and I think this curly hair goes perfect. It's not too long, only 18 inches. It goes perfect with this back to school makeup video. Yes guys, really cute, classy, simple lashes. We only add a little bit of like a peachish type of eyeshadow in the crease to define that, but it's simple. The eyebrows simple. We have that glowy, more natural look. I really do love it. And yes, and the glossy lips, you can't go wrong with the glossy lips. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. I hope you guys like this back to school look, and you should try it. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to tell a friend about Watch Chrissy work. I love you guys. I love you so much.